Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Losing your Clash of Clans progress can feel devastating, especially after years of building your village. Many players find themselves in this situation, perhaps after getting a new iPhone, performing a factory reset, or simply forgetting their login details over time. But there's good news. Your beloved village and all your hard-earned progress are very likely recoverable, even in 2025. This guide will walk you through the simplest steps to get back into the game you love. The first and often simplest step involves your iPhone's built-in game center. If you've played Clash of Clans on this device before, or even on an older iPhone using the same Apple ID, there's a good chance your account is already linked. Simply ensure you are logged into the correct Apple ID associated with your old game center. Open Clash of Clans, and the game should prompt you to load your old village, making recovery incredibly straightforward. While Game Center is convenient, Supercell ID is truly your best friend for account security and recovery. This robust system links your game progress directly to an email address, making it universally accessible and incredibly secure. If you previously created a Supercell ID, simply log in through the game settings. If not, you can create one and link your current game progress, ensuring you never lose your village again. It's a powerful, simple tool designed for you. If Game Center or Supercell ID don't bring your village back, don't despair. Contacting Supercell support is your next crucial step. They are equipped to help with more complex recovery cases. When reaching out, be ready to provide details like your old in-game name, clan name, approximate trophy count, and any purchase receipts. You can find the support option within your game settings or on the official Supercell website. Patience is key here, but they will guide you through the process. Congratulations on recovering your village. Now, let's make sure this never happens again. The most vital step is to immediately link your recovered account to a Supercell ID if you haven't already. This is your primary shield against future loss. Additionally, remember to securely note down your Supercell ID email and password, perhaps in a trusted password manager. Regularly check your in-game settings to confirm your account linkages, ensuring your hard-earned progress remains safe and sound for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.